DepEd announced that the required school days per year must be complied with. While there have been cancellation of classes due to typhoons and floods, the DepEd issued calendar provides for school day buffer that shall enable 2 schools to complete the said requirements. Angel Cordova has more.
In a year, the DepEd has allocated 201 school days. 180 days of that is mandatory, while the remaining 21 are considered as buffer days, intended for cancellation of classes. And since there were many LGUs which announced no classes when Labuyo, Maring, and Habagat visited us, the department has ordered for school superiors to review if they need to have makeup classes. This is according to Secretary Tonisito Umali.
Meron tayong kautusan na inilabas at ito'y inulit muli ng ating kalihim brother Armin Luistro na dapat tingnan ng ating mga paaralan at i-monitor ng mga school division superintendent po natin nationwide yung pagsasagawa ng makeup classes.
But this does not automatically require schools to have makeup class on weekends. There are other ways to do it.
May dalawang pamamaraan. Additional number of hours per day o sa Sabado sila ay pwedeng magsagawa ng makeup classes at pwede rin naman na additional assignments. Nasa kanila yan. So dapat balansehin yan.
Secretary Umali added that other schools may not need to have makeup classes because they were not affected by the bad weather.
Kaya sa ngayon, buong bansa natin at iba-iba yan. Sa Malabon halimbawa, wala silang pasok habang yung ibang syudad sa Kalakhang, Maynila ay may pasok naman. Sa Kalakhang, Maynila, nakansela ang klase maski walang bagyong idineklara ang Pag-asa dahil sa matinding pagbaha. At may pasok naman sa Visayas at Mindanao. Kaya iba-iba po yan.
This is Angel Cordova for News at 1, Junior Edition.